Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 resources that will help you with vintage sourcing. So if you currently sell vintage or plan to do so on Etsy, then make sure that you watch all the way to the end because you don't want to miss out on these amazing tools. Now, if this is your first time also visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So make sure you subscribe, make sure to like this video, and make sure to leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first website that I want to recommend is called estatesales.net. Now with estatesales.net, you're able to shop or browse all local estate sales. And the nice thing about this website is that you're able to sign up for you're able to subscribe to their notifications, and anytime that the area that you're looking for has any sales or any auctions, they automatically send you a free notification. So it's really nice website. I highly recommend it, especially when you're trying to find something rare, when you're trying to find something vintage. It's a really cool website, and they also have their own app as well. So you don't necessarily have to be logged in on the desktop. You could just download their app and keep track of it in there, which is really easy to do. So this one I highly recommend. The second website I recommend when you're doing vintage sourcing is called yardsales.net. So with this one, you're able to find yard sales with items that you love. So you're able to start hunting for them. You're able to drive there. It gives you directions how to get there. And you just pick the area near your home, or maybe you're on vacation and you want to outsource, and just look around. You're able to just put the area that you want to look for, and it's going to show you all the sales and everything that's happening at that current area. So it's really, they make it really easy for you when you're vintage sourcing. So I highly recommend you go in here and you check it out. Now the third one I thought it was worth throwing in here is called WorthPoint. And WorthPoint is if you're currently selling something on Etsy that's vintage, but you don't really know how to price it, this is a website to go. This is a cool website. You could try it out for free, and it's really nice because it's gonna help you research and price your items correctly. So you don't have to feel like, am I undercharging or am I overcharging? This is going to help you to make sure that you're charging the accurate price. So I highly recommend using WorthPoint, especially because with vintage it's a little bit harder. Unless you are an expert in that field, sometimes it's hard to put a price into something, and you might fall in love with the piece and you might say, oh, I think it's this certain price, and it might be worth more money, or it might be less, right? So this is a cool website that you could go and you could verify pricing, and you could make sure that you're getting the money that your item is worth. So these are 3 really cool websites. 2 are more necessarily for vintage sourcing. 1 is more for pricing, but they all work collectively together. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will leave the links in the comment section below in case you guys want to go ahead and bookmark them. And please, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. Thank you guys for watching.